Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, have you spoke to
Hello.
Raj?
What?
बात किया राज से?
मैं क्यों बात करूँ उससे? I'm busy in my work.
Okay.
Yeah. I
Okay.
just don't want you to trouble my family. That's why I'm answering your call. That there's no other reason.
Hmm.
And please don't trouble them.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'll warn you,
Hmm.
whoever you are talking to,
Hmm.
they are criminals.
Hmm. Who am I
And
talking to?
I don't know from where you got those pictures. They are criminals.
Hmm.
They are behind bars from last 4 years. They are my stalkers who stabbed me. So I just want to warn you, be careful. That's it.
पुलिस ने
I
दिया
have
मेरे
nothing
को.
to do.
पुलिस ने दिया मेरे
What?
को. कॉप्स ने दिया मेरे को.
Police will never give.
अच्छा.
Police will never give.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know that.
Hmm.
I know.
Hmm.
Cops will never do that.
Hmm.
Whoever you are talking to, they are not right people. So
Then
be careful.
who told
That's
me
it.
about the CM? आपका पापा का CM है बोल के कौन बोला था फिर मेरे को?
I don't know who said this. You are saying this to me.
Hmm.
I don't know whom you are talking to or whom you are having a conversation with, but this guy is a criminal. I have nothing to do with him. I had no relationship. If they wanted to prove that relationship thing, they could have done it 4 years back in a court. They have nothing against me, and they are doing this. So please stay safe, and I have nothing
Stay
against
safe,
you. I have nothing
stay
against
safe. मेरे को वो लोगों से क्या प्रॉब्लम होता?
वो लोग क्रिमिनल तुम सोच के देखो ना आई एम वार्निंग यू बिकॉज यू आर अ विमेन this guy I didn't even know him. I met him first. I'll tell you the whole story. I met him first in Neha Kakkar, you know Neha Kakkar singer, that women production house. He was the EP there. He approached me for a song. I met him 2 times for a meeting, and after that he started stalking me. I met him first time in the month of August or September, first time, and he stabbed me in October. 2 महीने में किसी का रिलेशनशिप होता है? अगर रिलेशनशिप होता है फॉर एग्जाम्पल तो दे हैव सम चैट कि आप लव यू बोल रहे हो, किसी को कुछ बात कर रहे हो. दे हैव नथिंग अगेंस्ट मी. सो हाउ दे कैन प्रूव अ रिलेशनशिप इन द कोर्ट? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. ही इज अ कंप्लीट स्टॉकर. ही स्टैब्ड मी 3 times, one in my stomach. He cut my finger. So that's why I'm telling you, I was hospitalized for 1.5 months in Kokilaben. So these people are criminals. Just be careful if they are, being in touch with you, or you.
I am not in touch.
They are convincing you. So I'm just warning you because they have they have done a lot of crimes. They have a lot of criminal cases on them. So if they can stab a girl just because she rejected a proposal, so they can do anything. I just want to warn you that be careful and please don't trouble my parents. And they have nowhere related to Raj, and they have never met them.
So then why did he came to Mandi?
Who told you he came to Mandi?
He himself told me last year only.
Raj told you?
Yeah.
Raj told you?
Raj told me about he came to the Chennai Pondicherry also.
Where he came?
Pondicherry. Huh.
Who told you that I was in Pondicherry? You are just creating it.
Creating what? Creating? Wait, I'll tell you the dates also. Wait.
Tell me when he told you.
Wait, yeah.
I didn't met him in Pondicherry. I didn't met him in hometown. I didn't met him in Mumbai. Nothing.
Where were you guys? Where were you?
What?
Where were you at? Wait. Where were you on 11th of May?
When?
11th of May?
11th of May?
Yeah. Before asking this, what to do, what should I do, what you will do actually, what you will do if I prove everything?
Yeah, do anything.
Yeah. Before I take this step, I need this confirmation from you. So you tell me.
Yeah.
What will you do? Will you send Raj back to my home?
Yeah.
ठीक है. Answer me then. Where were you on 11th of May?
I was shooting. I started my shoot of
Okay,
new
where,
film.
where?
Mostly I was in, I think, South only. I was shooting in Coimbatore or somewhere. My new film started on 3rd of May and it went till 10th or 12th of June. 12th of June. So I don't remember. I was busy I was shooting 3-4 different locations. I was not in Bombay. I was only shooting.
Okay.
I was shooting my birthday. My birthday was 22nd May. I was shooting on my birthday. Raj so didn't even wish me on my birthday. He didn't even call me.
And when is that?
What?
When is your birthday?
22nd May.
Okay.
Yeah. He didn't even call me. He didn't even wish me.
Okay.
I was shooting on my birthday from night 12 to morning 12.
Okay. And where were you on 27th May?
27th May. I told you, I was shooting constantly from 3rd of May till 10th, 12th, 15th June, I think. 15th June. At different locations.
Yeah, but you can check your calendar, no? Very easy. When I opened and when I am asking, you can also, maybe you can simply open your photos gallery and
What dates are you checking? You are checking about Raj. What he told you about me, tell me that first so I can talk to him clearly what he said about me. Tell me that first.
I don't know why is this game. Do you even understand? I filed a case against you. You will
Against
get
me?
Yes, you will get a call tomorrow, and it's gonna come on the media as well. When my life is damaged, I won't even think about anyone's life, especially Raj also. I don't want money, I don't want house, I don't want anything. I sacrificed everything for this man, believing that he will be there no matter what. And he left the house. I was not I was not even disturbing his personal life. But whenever he's coming and meeting you, when he's coming back from you, I am unable to take his shit. He is only pressurizing because of you, so you are my problem.
How do you know that he's meeting me? From where you getting this information?
See. If you think from past 2 months, मैंने चुपचाप से बैठी हूँ. Did not sell drugs or I did not involved.
What?
Even I won't sell drugs.
The guy who stabbed me is in prison from last 4 years because he committed a crime. That is no relationship or
So Raj Tarun also Raj Tarun is also committing crime now. Do you yeah? See, so your mom and dad will not fight, kya? You tell me. Will no? I'm generally asking.
Get together and they get separated. It doesn't mean that you have to be with that person all your life.
Who said that? I'm asking you. Your mom and dad will not fight, kya?
Everyone fights.
Exactly.
If the other person doesn't want to be with you, then why you are forcing him?
Forcing him 10 years.
Yeah, so you have a lot of life pending.
Hello. No. I know how to I know how to make him turn towards me. It's not that I don't. That's what. Yeah, that's what. That's what. See. That's what. It's not that I don't know. Okay.
I really don't know what is going on between you guys.
That's what.
Being
At least
person,
see.
I told him that talk to her. That's all I did. And I can't just force people to just be with you if they doesn't want to.
Yeah, now you're sleeping with him, no? That's the reason he will listen to you. If you say to unblock him, he'll unblock me. If you say to him block me. If you say leave her and come, he has to.
He doesn't have his own brain. Do you think so?
Yeah, no. If he has, then why will he listen to you?
Why do you think that he listens to me?
That's what you said.
Why do you think that?
That's what he said.
Spoke from last 8 months.
अम्मा तेरे पैर पकड़ते हैं, हमको छोड़ दो, उसको छोड़ दो और एक लड़का को ढूंढ लो प्लीज, for God's sake. I'll set. That's what. Even though you'll get incoming call, block or whatever, मैं रो रही हूँ ना, सी you will never grow in your career, not just you, any woman who will do like this, no, they can never.